Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Hope everyone's fine, doing well. Right now your boy just came to buy a GoPro 10. Say hey, let's go, let's buy a GoPro 10. So this boy is gonna help me out. I need GoPro 10. I need GoPro 10.
GoPro 10 currently
It's
out
the latest, right?
of, yeah,
Yeah. So I want one.
currently out of stock.
Out of stock?
Yes.
तो किधर से मिलेगा अभी?
You can do one thing, you can make it home delivery. We'll get delivery to your home tomorrow.
In how many days?
Tomorrow evening you'll get.
Tomorrow evening? Are you sure?
Yeah. Yes.
ओके सो वहाँ पर इशू आ रहा था कि वो लोग डिलीवरी नहीं दे रहे थे, तो ऑन द स्पॉट मुझे वर्जिन से मिल रहा था. सो आई जस्ट केम टू वर्जिन टू बाय दिस वन GoPro 10. Where is
In
it?
the front.
In the front. Okay. So you guys are giving the warranty, right? 1 year warranty.
Don't record it.
Please proceed to count number 5.
How much is total?
This is 1799-1863.
Okay.
You have a membership with us.
You guys have it warranty, right?
1 year warranty, that's what I'm saying.
Okay, okay. Give it. Give it one second.